So in this video, I'll show you how to accept or how to go bounty hunting in Where Winds Meet. Now, the easiest way to do so is to simply go ahead and open up the menu and choose Wandering Paths. From here, select the option Bounty. Now you can choose a Trials, Vendetta, Bounty Hunting, Profession, or Wandering Paths. So go ahead and select Bounty Hunting and then choose a bounty that you would like to hunt. Bear in mind that you will need a specific mastery so that you can be able to go bounty hunting for these specific people. For example, you can see here one of the bounties needs you to be at a 0.387 goose. So if you haven't reached that level yet, then don't accept the bounty as it's too high and you might die, which means that you've failed the bounty. Once you're ready to accept a bounty, go ahead and select it like so, and then select Accept a Bounty. From here, now go ahead and select to go to start tracking your target. And then when you're ready, go ahead and start hunting that specific bounty. Bear in mind, if you do decide to track another quest, it will seem as if the bounty has been abandoned, which means that you've lost the bounty. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.